Hi, my name is Blogging Bitcoin, and today I'm going to talk about Nostr. So, Nostr is basically, it stands for Notes and Other Stuff Transmitted over Relay. So, what that means is it's kind of like a tweet, but instead of being tweeted to the tweetosphere or Twitter sphere or whatever you want to call it, it is transmitted over internet relays. There used to be this thing called IRC back in the day, and actually they still use that, right? So an internet relay chat, and it works a lot like this. If you'd like to learn more, you can always go on Wikipedia. I'm not going to go over that right now. And then it also works with clients. And uh, again, that's another like computer science term, I guess. If you want to learn more, you can always go on like Wikipedia or something like that. Well, let's see, clients, Wikipedia, computer science. Yeah, here we go. Client computing. If you want to learn about that, you can do that here. But for all intents and purposes, we are going to look at it as if it is just a website like this one. So if you go to enigma.io, this will be a client, and when you sign up, you will get a public and private key. Now this is not my actual public key. I'm just using this as an example, right? Because I wouldn't want to give anyone my private key because, well, then they can impersonate me. And it works like a lot like a Bitcoin private key, right? Instead of an XPub, it's called an InPub and all that stuff. So when you get on here, you can just put your name. You can put some info about yourself. If you want to have a picture, what you could do is just grab a profile picture. It could be anything you want. I'm just going to kind of like just grab something here. This one looks interesting. We'll say that this is going to be our profile picture. It's probably copyrighted. It's just an example though. Sorry. Copy image address. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and put our picture here. Submit. And then after a while, it'll show up in your settings. Okay. On enigma.io, you also have a LN or LN bits wallet. So we can copy that. And here, I'll put this here. Now, if you actually have any Bitcoin on this, you want to make sure you do not lose this because this is like how you access your Bitcoin. And then, you know, this is kind of cool. You can like add some extensions here. That's kind of a different, it's a different video though. But I think that is pretty cool that you can do that so you can get like tips on here. If I paste my actual pub key, it'll show you what, let's see, it could show you what, here's my actual pub key. So I'm going to paste that. And then if I go on this Noster gateway here, right? Here, here's my picture. Here's my signature. Here's my public profile, yada, 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 all of the relays I've had here. And eventually, like, you even see text. But we are going to go back to our example on Enigma. And here, I'll just go to global. And so the global right now, because like this is a very small community, you could just like talk to everybody at once and like it'll show up on all of the clients. Now, obviously, if like millions of people get on here, that's going to be a lot harder. So I'm going to say Dogecoin sucks. Yeah, we'll just do that. It's not the most riveting post, but here it is, okay? So this should get relayed now to all of the clients. So to test it, what I want to do is go on to another client. And I'm going to go to astral.ninja. Now, I already posted my public key here, or at least the test one, right? So it should say, here, if I go to the global here, And actually, even if I don't have my public profile posted here, or my public key here, it should show up here shortly. It's just taking a while. All right, we're gonna click wait here. I'll come back to that. It's taking too long. But again, like these are people just like on, who knows what client they're on. They're just posting on here, and hopefully, aha, here we go. So here's my Dogecoin sucks, right? So even though this is a different website, my information is posted on here too, right? So this makes it censorship resistant. So even if like whoever, I think the name is Brill or something. I think if like Brill shut this Enigma.io down, my notes are still going to be on here, right? So I can still see Dogecoin sucks, and that's the cool thing about it, right? So like you can go to different clients, and there's quite a few. Like there's several different clients. There's a list here somewhere. I think Nostr.net is like a good way to like see them. Hopefully I got that right. Yeah, Nostr.net, right? So we can go to all of these different clients here, and our post should show up on here too. Like I've never used this one. Let's see what it is. Nostr Web. And well, I mean, here we go. I guess this is the internet. Let's go to feed. Is this global? Yeah, Dogecoin sucks. So you can see that my post is right there too, right? So anyway, try it out yourself. Hopefully you can kind of play around with this and use it. I know this is just like a brief overview and stuff, and I don't know why my picture never showed up here, but like it should. Yeah, and you can also like create chat rooms in here and stuff too. This one's actually like, I guess it's similar to Telegram, right? So you say test channel here. I'm not gonna put an image there, and then I'll go ahead and submit. Oh, I need to put an image. I'm not gonna do that, but like you get the idea, right? Like you can do all kinds of things, and it's a censorship resistant of social media, I guess. And there's no blockchain on here. Like it does use cryptography, like public key cryptography, but that's just math. Instead of a blockchain, they're just using relays. There's no reason to hash all of this information, and like it's just not the same as money, but I still think it's pretty interesting. And if you're into Bitcoin, you might want to start using this just to check it out, because like it kind of makes sense. I mean, it's a way to use public key cryptography in a novel way, and I hope it can maybe stop some of the censorship that's on the internet. And yeah, I remain optimistic, and who knows? So try it out. Let me know what you think, and go ahead and like subscribe to the channel and hit like and all that stuff. It could help me out quite a bit. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.